The visual dictionary bikablo posters offers you a lot of inspiration, templates and imagery for the posters that you use for group work, visual facilitation or for presentation. So our first three visual dictionaries offer the imagery, the content and the visuals for the layouts and the designs that we show here. So if you're interested in that, just join me to a short ride through this book, and maybe on the way you will find a design that you can use in your next workshop. We start with a chapter of 12 tips on poster design on the flip chart. These are the 12 most important things that we teach people in our very, very basic trainings. So it's about how to hold the pen, how to enhance your handwriting on the flip chart, how to use color and different design techniques, different visualization techniques, and how to use color strategically and to work with visuals as part of your poster design. So with this, you are actually absolutely enhanced to move to the next chapter, which is about the classics of flip chart design. So check in, check out the things that you need if you want to grab ideas in a brainstorming or if you ask the group for their mood. So here you find plenty of very, very simple designs that you can either draw directly on your flip chart or pre-design on a digital device like the iPad. The next chapter is about the 10 most common and most important visual ideas that we use at bikablo in our trainings to do simple and very diverse posters. So it's about the road from the past, the road to the future, walking up a mountain, using the metaphor of the iceberg, and so on. So very simple ideas, very, very simple templates, and a lot of inspiration on how to use them, also if you add some imagery that we offer here in below. Now, the next chapter is actually my favorite one, because I like to use visuals and posters just in real time, directly in a group process, whether it being a coaching or a workshop, a creative workshop or teamwork. So these are designs that are based on methodologies that we use, and we offer them sometimes in different steps. So you can possibly just take these steps and draw them directly during the process with a little exercise. So it's possible to do something like this in real time together with the group without preparing it. Although in this chapter you will also find some templates that possibly need to be prepared in a certain way on your iPad or directly on the flip chart or the pinboard. So the next chapter, or the last chapter, is possibly the favorite one of most of the people that buy this book. It's about pictorial worlds. So we choose some worlds and some storytelling which is somehow common, and we added some imagery which is quite new or we haven't used before ourselves. So starting with a very common one, walking up a mountain or going somewhere with your ship. It's also things that are not that common, like using a garden as a metaphor, or the circus, or even the Arctic Ocean. So why not having your next workshop along with some explorers on the ice shelf?